IIT Gandhinagar believes in the students' first motto, and it is our humble attempt to reach out to the student body through a new initiative named Students' Wellbeing. A team of dedicated and committed faculty members are ready to offer assistance to you whenever you share your concerns, be it academic or non-academic. We will work with you and have a presence among you. We will either coordinate and send you to the right group of advisors, or we'll do a collective brainstorming to reach an amicable solution to a problem. Please do not hesitate to get in touch with the group.
Assignments, presentations, research, and then you have to kind of spend some time with your family, friends. It's just too much, I guess. Sometimes it becomes too much altogether, isn't it? And I'm kind of wondering whether it takes its toll on things we actually enjoy. And maybe we lose our sleep, maybe we lose our appetite.
Yeah, true. Kitna sara stress. And then sometimes these feelings can get so intense that they affect the way we feel, and then we don't usually pay attention to how we feel or how our feelings affect our lives. Now you can get guidance on how to deal with such intense feelings that may be affecting your studies or your work or any other aspect of your life. Right?
Yeah. I mean, we are here to help you, and the Institute has many helpful resources. So you just have to come to us. We'll be there in the hostel area looking after your concerns, whatever those concerns are. Some of it might be academic, some of it might be social, economic, emotional, personal, anything. Just come to us.
Yes, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Because remember, just like a broken bone or a fever, sometimes even our minds and our hearts need a lot of care, and we are all here for you.
Sometimes it may be difficult to open up to people we know, and we think that conversations can be difficult. But in fact, conversation could be very easier than we think. Please get in touch with our counseling services.
We understand that academics at IIT Gandhinagar can be very challenging because of various reasons, such as complex subjects, new methods of teaching, instruction in English. So does the institute care about you? I would say absolutely yes. We are here to support you. Joycey, what can a student who need this academic help do?
That's a great question, Jimmy. So we have trained some of the senior students who can help the young students, and this is called peer assisted learning or PAL, whereby if students are facing any academic challenges, they can contact the student who is a PAL student. If you have any questions about PAL or peer assisted learning, you may please write to this email ID.
Dear young friends, as you all know, the ultimate aim of life is not to be or get this or that. It's to be happy in life and career. And here comes the role of fully developed softer life skills along with the knowledge of one's core subject. Come to us then for some tips with affectionate personal touch about English communication, social and personal engineering, and other soft skills. You will really know what limitless potentials and indomitable spirits you have to explore and exploit.
हालात के पेश नज़र मैं आपकी खिदमत में ये शेर पढ़ना चाहता हूँ कि साहिल के सुकून से किसे इनकार है, लेकिन साहिल के सुकून से किसे इनकार है, लेकिन तूफान से लड़ने में मज़ा और ही कुछ है, तूफान से लड़ने में मज़ा और ही कुछ है.
Let's talk about social well-being. If you ask someone who has recently moved either for his education or for his new job about what they miss in their life, okay, so the most common answer will be that they miss the people in their life. चाहे वो आपकी फैमिली हो, आपका दोस्त, आपका पड़ोसी या आपका क्लासमेट, क्योंकि उनके साथ आप अपनी खुशियाँ बांट सकते हैं. You can share your achievements and success with them, and you can have support when your times are tough.
We are social beings, and we are happier and better when we are connected to others.
Life is often a roller coaster ride of ups and downs. But whatever the downs are, in whatever form, you don't have to go through them alone. Reach out. There will always be someone willing to listen to you and lend you a hand. We're there for you.
आखिर में मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि स्याह रात नहीं लेती नाम ढलने का, स्याह रात नहीं लेती नाम ढलने का, यही तो वक्त है सूरज तेरे निकलने का, यही तो वक्त है सूरज तेरे निकलने का। आदाब।